ఆర్మూరు పట్టణంలోని లిల్లీపుడ్ పాఠశాల జాతీయ స్థాయిలో ద బెస్ట్ స్కూల్ అవార్డు అందుకుంది. పాఠశాల కరెస్పాండెంట్ రామకృష్ణ మాట్లాడుతూ తమ పాఠశాల జాతీయ స్థాయిలో ద బెస్ట్ స్కూల్ అవార్డు పొందడం చాలా గర్వంగా ఉందని, తమ పాఠశాల అన్ని రంగాల్లోనూ ముందుండాలనేది తమ కోరిక అని, తమ పాఠశాల విద్యార్థులకు ఉన్నత స్థాయిలో విద్య అందించడం కోసం తాము ఎంత కృషి అయినా చేస్తామని తెలిపారు. ముఖ్యంగా ప్రస్తుత సమాజానికి తగినట్టుగా విద్యా బోధన మెరుగుపరుచుకునే విధంగా ఎన్నో విధాలుగా కృషి చేస్తున్నామన్నారు. దానికి ఫలితంగానే జాతీయ స్థాయిలో ద బెస్ట్ స్కూల్ అవార్డు అందుకున్నామన్నారు. ఈ కార్యక్రమంలో భాగంగా పాఠశాల కరెస్పాండెంట్ రామకృష్ణను పాఠశాల ఉపాధ్యాయ బృందం ప్రిన్సిపల్ దాసు అభినందించారు.
And disturbance by the students in the class. Some people will be very hyperactive and some will be very distracting.
It is a transformation age in education. Lot of artificial intelligence, lot of technology is playing a very vital role in the education sector, and we have to adapt to them, and we have to transform our schools into
Lilliput School ready on next award goes to నెక్స్ట్ భాస్కర్ రెడ్డి గారు రెడీగా ఉండాలి. సుధీర్ గారు, బలవరి సుధీర్ గారు, మీరు కూడా రెడీగా ఉండాలి. ఆల్ రైట్, సో లేడీస్ అండ్ జెంట్మెన్, kindly join me in welcoming our next awardee, Mr. Bhaskar Reddy garu.
I am writing just a simple one, but even there is a difficult maths equation, you can just select this, click on the maths, automatically whether it is word problem, physics problem, aptitude, it will analyze it, give you the solution and step by step explanation. So everything is automatic. Even the lectures, once you have entered the classroom, whatever lecture you are teaching, based on that all the answer will be given. So here you can see within seconds it will solve with a proper explanation. And sir, because all these things are in digital format, so if you want a video recording of this, you can switch on the camera from here. There is an auto AI focus camera. So if I move back and talk, automatically it will zoom on. Okay, with the help of sound, it will zoom whenever there is a motion or sound. Okay, so auto AI focus camera is also enabled. You can also start the recording from your direction. So it will be recorded as it is, the way you are seeing on the screen. So this will be the sound wala caption, whatever you are writing, whatever you are speaking. All these things can be recorded very easily, and for daily purpose, you can share all these recordings as well as the complete data in the classroom. So the parents as well as the students both will get the notification that sir has given this test, this automated homework, and this quiz. You need to submit it by tomorrow along with the recording. So sir, just imagine you are giving an exam, okay, test questions. Along with that, there is a recording of the complete lecture. So even if they are not able to answer it, they can see the recordings, see the view. Their parents will also know my sir has already given everything, and then they will solve the answer and submit it. So that can be done offline as well as online. So we have an integrated application, website, as well as this panel, working together with each other without any issues and without any subscriptions. So overall, this is the gist of the panel. And there is a complete, this is the complete AI source. Yeah, this is the complete AI source. You can write whatever questions you have in mind in any language. Here there is a summary, lecture, or quiz of it. And once you are done with this, if you go to the application section, whatever data you have rolled out, all those data is stored here. So all the homework that you have given will be stored here. This is 75. Yeah, this is 75. How much cost? Sir, it will be tentative around 130 plus GST. Tentative.